the same thing I've experienced last year in the first phase. Like it was like I was not knowing anyone personally in my life, hardly anyone fallen sick, got COVID positive. But this time, family members, close friend circle, like almost everyone, like there are my close people who are like whose whole family was COVID positive, and the fear and the anxiety is a natural state because when the mind and body are connected, when the body get weak, mind become weak, and sometimes mind become weaker, then body become weaker, right? So it's a psychosomatic, it's a cycle. But one thing we have to understand from the law of attraction perspective is the mind is always more powerful. Mind is always more powerful than the body. So if we let all the negativity or stress, anxiety sink in, then our immunity will go down and our chances of falling sick or recovering from the virus or from the disease or any kind of health issue would become difficult. So one thing we have to always remind ourselves, the mind is very powerful. Let me take care of the mind. And like the law of attraction says, like whatever you think, you can create, or if you like, attracts like. So if you focus on the positive things, like of course people are sick, but let's suppose if we are not sick, so we have to be grateful for being healthy so that we can help other people, so that we can do something. And the most important thing that I have seen is that when we start thinking positively, like start being grateful, start feeling that I am blessed, that I am healthy, so that I can help my family members or friend circle or someone, and that change our aura, that create an energy. And even last year during pandemic, I have created a guided meditation on our YouTube channel. So I created this guided meditation, which like around more than 30-40,000 people have used that meditation over the last 1 year. And we get so many success stories, so many transformational experience where like for some participants, for some of the users, their parents were like 80-year-old. And they were doing that meditation, even sending their positive vibes and blessings to them. So everyone could able to recover from it. So one of the best way how to handle stress and anxiety is that let's suppose if we are feeling stress and anxiety, we should change that stress towards the blessing side. Like rather than being stressful or anxious, let me send my blessing and positivity to whoever is sick. Like let's suppose some friend, some family member, someone is there. Let me just pray for them. Let me just send positivity rather than getting this idea that, oh, everyone is falling sick. Now 5 more people are sick. Now my family members are sick. Like this, rather than let me just connect with the universe, God, higher power, or just send this blessing that I'm sending my positive vibe to this particular person or this person, so that they are receiving my energy and they are recovering from it. And that will shift our state of being from stress and anxiety to being blessing, gratefulness, and sending that positive vibe.
Yeah.